Hello, we talk about nature. My group is conformed by Daniela Zuluaga, Mauricio Galeno, and my person Luis Padilla. Nature is everything that is created naturally on the planet. It is related to the different kinds of living beings, such as animals, plants, and people. Climate is also part of nature and the geology of the earth. Nature at its best. Nature has beautiful landscapes. There are also birds and beautiful wild plants in the forest. And although sometimes we believe that we no longer need it, she is in everything and we must take care of her. We could not exist without it, without all its resources and elements, without everything that makes it so perfect and beautiful. For example, landscapes, animals, and plants. Nature and you. Nature has beautiful place where you can share an afternoon with loved ones. The activities that put you in touch with the energy of nature positively alter the vibration of your body and mind. Among the most common activities that allow recreating the energy that flow is grounding, earthing, or forest bathing. With our activities that being in contact with the energy of nature positively alter the vibration of the human body.
Hello, I'm Mauricio, and I'm going to talk about the miracle of pollen. Pollination is the process of transferring pollen from stamens to the stigma or receptive part of the flowers. In the angiosperms, where the ovules of the flower germinates and fertilizes, making possible the production of seeds and fruits. Pollen transport allows different agents that are called pollination vectors. Pollination vectors can be both biotic, such as birds, insects, and mainly bees, bats, etc. As abiotic, for example, water or wine. Okay, so pollination is vital to life on Earth, but largely using by the human eye. Filmmaker Louis Strasberg shows us the intricate world of pollen and pollinators with George's high-speed image from his film. Wings of Life is the name of the film, yeah. Inspired by the vanishing of one of nature's primary pollinators, the honeybee.
The conclusion is there is a priest that says the pollination at its act is the foundation act of natural erotimes, and it is because it is one of the most beautiful machines that nature has, such as dance between insects, birds, and even mammals with the hatching of the plants. Um, we must thank pollination so much because when a bee goes to a flower and then another one which the pollen previously picked up and weathered generate seeds. For more plants, because there is more plant, it would be said that there are more plants for the pollination effect to be met. Thank you very much. See you.